All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at games for a living here. So, from the last games for a living update, from the low to the high, we were watching the 3-2, and we ended up drawing this green box as support. And you can see it did hold. We did get a nice little bounce to the upside. So, the big question is GFAL bullish here? Are we going to continue moving? I do not know. On the larger scale, from that low to that high, that 3-2, you are still bullish. So as long as you stay above 2-2, it's anyone's guess what's going to happen here. We could come down here and double bottom and go to the moon. We could, come down here and hold this as support and go up eventually. Nobody knows, like I said, but we're just going to simply point out what we're seeing right now on the chart. So on the larger scale, you're bullish here. We held our green box. I like to see that there. If we draw a couple of more fibs on the chart, you can see from that high here down to that low right below our box, you can see the price smacked right into the 786 at 275 here. So that is bearish in its own. Let's get that off of the chart. I do not like the looks of this green wick here. That is bearish in my opinion. The lower high here is bearish in my opinion. So I would say the big thing to watch here on GFAL as of right now, of course, we said as long as you stay over this 227 area, you're still macro bullish. But as long as over the next 5 hours on this candle here, if you can close over the 2.5 area here, then you're potentially still bullish if you hold that 236 as support. And this thing's going to start going back up to the high here at 2.9. So that's what I would watch here. If we draw one more fib on the chart to point one more thing out, from that most recent little low to that high here, you can see the 3-2 takes us right to that 2.5 area, if you can see that there in purple. So this 2.5 is a big price here. I could even draw a small support box, just a tiny little box that needs to hold as support here, right to that 3-2. Perfect. So if you can stay over this little tiny red box, then there's a potential chance that you are bullish and you are going to continue pushing higher. So we'll just wait and see. Just kind of rewind the video if you need to take all that in once again. But ultimately, I would watch this box here. If we can hold that, there's a chance that you're going higher. If you take that box out, you're either going to go down or you're going to come down here and chop around for a while, because you can see there is a ton of volume in this area here. So we will leave it at that for now on GFAL, not financial advice. Good luck, everyone, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.